In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Quizlet link. Whether you're collaborating with classmates, sending resources to a study group, or organizing materials for a class, sharing a Quizlet link is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact process and point out where to look so you don't miss anything. First, open your Quizlet set. Start by navigating to the specific flashcard set or folder you want to share. You can do this on the Quizlet website, in your browser, or in the mobile app. Make sure you're looking at the correct content by checking the set title and a couple of the cards or terms. If you're sharing a folder, open that folder so you're on its main page. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place helps avoid sending the wrong link later. Next, click the Share button. On most screens, you'll find the Share option close to the set or folder title, or just underneath the cards. It may appear as a share icon, often an arrow, or be labeled Share. If you're on a smaller screen or using the app, it can sometimes appear in a menu. Look near the top of the screen or below the cards. Once you've located it, select Share to bring up the sharing options. Now copy the link. Choose the option labeled Copy Link. Quizlet automatically generates a shareable URL that points directly to the set or folder you're viewing. When you tap or click Copy Link, that URL is placed on your device's clipboard. You might see a small confirmation like Link Copied, which simply means it's ready to use. From here, you can keep studying or move on to sharing whenever you're ready, knowing that the link will take others straight to the same set or folder you opened. That's all there is to it. Open the exact Quizlet set or folder you want to share, find and select the Share button near the title or under the cards, and use Copy Link to grab the automatically generated URL. A quick tip as you go. Double-check the set name before copying the link, especially if you keep multiple versions or similar folders. Also, if you come back later and need the link again, repeat the same steps. Quizlet will generate the same destination so people land on the correct page. Thanks for watching. With these simple steps, you can share your Quizlet materials confidently and make collaboration easier for everyone.